here at Unique Specialty and Classics. It's a 1986 Jaguar XJS. V12 power underneath the hood, 5.3 liter. Automatic transmission, I believe turbo hydromatic, 400 to be exact. Miles, a little over 21,000 on this is what it shows on the odometer. Believed to be original miles, passed between two owners, believed to be a two-owner car. And judging by the paint on this, it would not surprise me at all. And check out the undersides. We'll get to that in just a little bit. First of all, let's take a look at this front bumper and the chrome on it, as well as the headlight surrounds. And look at the condition of that. Yeah, remember, 1986, and the chrome and the bright work around those headlights, the top of that bumper, in that nice a condition. The paint, medium gray, and gray leather interior. Now, as far as the paint, I've been around this car and there's no spots where it stands out that there's paint lines, overspray, anything like that. So this appears to be original paint also, which kind of coincides with that lower actual miles. Now, as far as the paint goes though, it does show some crazing, you'll hear it called. It's kind of where you get the little checking. Sometimes you'll hear it almost like little bird's feet within that paint as it ages. So there is that going on, but that kind of leads back to the originality of this car. Take your time looking through the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. It's going to take you right to our website where you can see the still pictures. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the Jaguar wheels, Pirelli radials, P4000s. There's also a full-size spare in the trunk, as well as where the battery is located there. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side, and I want you to look at how straight these panels are. Take a look at the trim piece on the belt line. It's just not full of nicks, dings, scratches, really showing much age at all. And I've been around a lot of these trim pieces where you'll start to see paint lines if it's repainted. I have not come up with any, or to see any overspray. Start to get the rubber along the trim pieces, and again, you'll see paint lines or overspray on those. You do not. Once again, you can kind of see that crazing, checking if you will, in the paint. So paint does show its age, which would be very understandable in a 1986 Jag if it's original. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Of course, dual exhaust, the V12 badging, as well as the XJS. That is a 5.3 liter. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're into imports, maybe the 80s imports, pretty cool year for your foreign imports into the States. Go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. The vehicles in the videos are available to purchase when these videos are uploaded. And the videos are uploaded daily. So go ahead and check those out. Check out our website. You want to look at our full inventory. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and again, you can see how straight this panel is. Paint still has a nice shine to it. Again, it's not perfect due to what I believe is original paint and the age of it. Just not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Like I said, those trim pieces down the belt line of it, they're not full of, nicks or dings that you're going to get once it ages and maybe was used and parked in parking lots and what have you. So let's check out the wear of this interior. See if that looks like that could be easily lower miles. Let me get the paper floor mat out where we kind of protect the floor mats when we're getting in and out of them. Get that out of the way. Take a look at this door jamb and the armrest. Really very little wear. Again, if this thing had over 100,000 miles on it, you're going to start to just notice natural oil from skin, discoloring. You're going to start to notice it up here. Door panel looks practically like new. How about the seats? Look at the lack of the wear on the bolster, and as well as the seating surface itself. and that's just wearing natural, like a natural hide would wear. How about the sill plate going in and out? The condition of the carpet right here where feet is always going to get drugged going in and out. The actual carpeting and the floor mat, look at the condition of that. Not full of holes or wear. I don't know. It's pretty original to me. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Now I do want to mention there's Jaguar brochure with this. Miscellaneous tools you're going to see in the still pictures. And this is going to go off shortly. I'll let it run here just a second. Manuals, as in, say like service manuals, parts manuals, catalogs, what have you, that's going to go with it. And then there's also a folder full of some miscellaneous receipts, I believe it was. That's right over here on the seat. So I checked with the sales consultant if you want to know more about that. There's service receipts, that type of thing. And again, believed to be original miles. Top of the dash looks good. Speaking of the miles, 21,468, and it is actually a 6-digit odometer also, so really leads me to believe it more and more. How cool. Kind of a time capsule, really. Door closes nicely. Let's listen. Pretty quiet, sounds good. Sorry about the noise in the background. The detail department getting some cars cleaned so we can get them pictured up, videos done, and listed on our website. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. Let's open the hood, check out that engine bay. Stick around to the very end. Jason will drive this car too, show you how it goes down the road. Alright, so the one thing I do want to note, these hood struts have seen better days. Those are probably original too, so I do have a prop rod set up to hold that hood open. So I want to give you the heads up on that. Technicians did note that. There it is. A V12 running pretty smooth. AC has been converted. You can see by these fittings here. Tech did note it did not blow cold. So I want to give you the heads up on that. Power brakes, as you can see by the booster here, power steering. And again, originally equipped with AC, may need a little love. But look and listen how smooth that runs. Pretty clean and tidy also, considering it's 1986. Be a fun car, 1986 Jaguar XJS, believed to be original miles, 2-owner car. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
A very smooth running Jaguar. This is an automatic right here on the center console. Power windows, the wipers work, our gauges appear to be working as they should, except for the oil pressure, which is showing 0. That one may not work because we've got oil pressure. Engine sounds good. Fuel gauge is showing over half of a tank. The battery is charging at just under 13 volts, and the coolant temperature is 1/4 of the way up the gauge. Nice handling car. Jaguar stereo in the dash. Nice 80s song for an 86 car. Digital clock on the dash. You can also have that read your fuel, your average, average speed, lots of little readings on that. Very cool feature. Brakes are smooth and brakes nice and straight. Corners nicely. Very easy to steer in the corners. Leather bucket seats in this car. Very comfortable car to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all you need to know about this Jaguar at uniqueclassiccars.com.